Adoption decisions involve careful review of character, stability, relationships, and caregiving ability, and a weak or poorly written reference letter can miss the opportunity to present meaningful insight about the prospective parent. A character reference letter for adoption helps demonstrate qualities such as responsibility, compassion, emotional readiness, and the ability to provide a safe, stable, and supportive home for a child. But people often write overly short statements, use generic compliments without real examples, or fail to explain how they know the applicant and why their opinion should carry weight. A strong adoption reference letter should be sincere, specific, professional, and supported by genuine observations. So here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you identify yourself. For example, Rebecca Thompson, 1452 Willow Creek Lane, Denver, Colorado, 80203. Rebecca.thompson@email.com, 303-555-4182. This section establishes who you are and provides your contact information. Make sure your contact details are accurate in case the agency or social worker wishes to verify your recommendation. Date. After your contact information, include the date the letter is written. For example, May 31st, 2026. This helps document when the recommendation was prepared. Use the current date, especially if the letter is being submitted for an active adoption review. Recipient information. This section identifies the organization or official receiving the letter. For example, Adoption Services Department, Bright Futures Adoption Agency, 850 Park Avenue, Denver, Colorado, 80205. This ensures the letter reaches the correct reviewer. Confirm the correct agency, court, social worker, or committee name before submission. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of the letter. For example, subject, character reference for Daniel and Melissa Carter. This immediately tells the reviewer what the letter concerns. Use the full legal name of the prospective adoptive parent or parents. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. For example, Dear Adoption Officer. This keeps the tone professional and respectful. If you know the social worker's or reviewer's name, address them directly. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you explain why you are writing. For example, I am writing to provide this character reference in support of Daniel and Melissa Carter in connection with their adoption application. This establishes the purpose clearly from the beginning. Keep your opening direct and professional. Relationship and length of acquaintance. This section explains how you know the applicant and why your opinion is credible. For example, I have known Daniel and Melissa Carter for approximately 8 years in my capacity as a close family friend and community volunteer colleague. This gives important background about your relationship. Be specific about how long you have known them and in what context. Character and personal qualities. Here you describe the applicant's character and values. For example, in my experience, they are responsible, compassionate, trustworthy, and emotionally supportive individuals who consistently demonstrate care and respect toward others. This highlights qualities relevant to parenting and caregiving. Avoid vague praise alone. Focus on qualities relevant to adoption and family life. Observations of interaction with children and families. This is one of the most important sections of the letter. Here, you provide real observations or examples. For example, I have personally observed their interactions with children through family gatherings and volunteer activities. They consistently demonstrate patience, maturity, effective communication, and genuine care for children's emotional and developmental needs. This gives the reviewer practical insight rather than general compliments. Include specific observations whenever possible, instead of only broad descriptions. Stability and responsibility. This section addresses long-term responsibility and caregiving readiness. For example, additionally, they maintain a stable lifestyle, approach challenges thoughtfully, and demonstrate strong personal and professional responsibility. This helps reinforce their suitability for adoption. Mention stability, commitment, reliability, or caregiving qualities supported by your observations. Recommendation paragraph. This is where you clearly express your support. For example, based on my knowledge of Daniel and Melissa Carter, I believe they possess the character, emotional readiness, and dedication necessary to provide a loving and supportive family environment for an adopted child. This makes your recommendation direct and clear. Do not leave your recommendation implied. State your support confidently and professionally. Closing paragraph. This is your final statement before ending the letter. For example, I offer my strong support for their adoption application and respectfully recommend them for favorable consideration. Please feel free to contact me if additional information or clarification is required. This shows cooperation and strong endorsement. Always leave the door open for follow-up questions or verification. Sincerely, and contact details. For example, sincerely, Rebecca Thompson. Relationship to applicant. Family friend. Phone number 303-555-4182. Email address rebecca.thompson@email.com. This formally closes the letter and provides supporting contact information. Double-check your relationship description and contact details before submission. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should remember when writing a character reference letter for adoption. Be honest, sincere, and specific. Focus on real observations, meaningful examples, and qualities directly related to parenting, stability, caregiving, and emotional support. Avoid exaggerated praise without evidence, and make sure your recommendation clearly explains why you believe the applicant would provide a safe, loving, and responsible home environment. So that's how you write a character reference letter for adoption, step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter helps present a thoughtful, credible, and meaningful recommendation in support of an adoption application. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.